Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to adjust front headrest in Tesla Model Y. Press the Release tab at the base, then lift or lower the headrest until the top meets the back of your head for correct support. Make small adjustments to avoid neck strain and ensure the headrest locks with an audible click. Check both sides for symmetry and test while seated to confirm comfort and safety before driving. For fine-tuning, sit in your normal driving position and bring the headrest to align with the middle of your head. Make small, measured moves and recheck the feel after each adjustment to prevent neck strain. Aim for about 3–5 inches of support behind the skull base rather than the lower neck. Repeat on the passenger side and ensure both headrests lock securely before you start driving for consistent protection. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical car tips and updates. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car, so grab Little Tree's Black Ice to keep your cabin smelling fresh after adjustments. It pairs naturally with a freshly tuned interior and adds a little everyday joy. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If the headrest resists movement, first check the Release tab for dirt or blockage and clear it gently. Apply steady pressure while pressing the release to free a stuck post and avoid sudden jerks that could damage the mechanism. When locking feels loose or you notice broken parts, schedule a Tesla service inspection to maintain safety. Always test after any fix to ensure the headrest moves smoothly and locks reliably.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.